Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine. So, today this is the part 4 of this chapter, weather and climate. So, let's get started and let's see what we are going to learn today. Today, we are going to learn all the 6 climatic regions of the earth. So, the first region that we are going to learn is the tundra region. Let me just make it a bit smaller. Yeah, done. Okay. So, the tundra region. For tundra region, let's take a lighter color. Is this okay? Okay, let's take this. Tundra region. So this should not be there. Typing mistakes are there because I need to type a lot and mistakes, right? So this region lies in the north and the south. North and the south frigid zones. Where does it lies? In the north and south frigid zones, and is very cold throughout the year. It is what? It's very cold throughout the year. Okay, now next one. Next one we are going to learn is the temperate region. Get ready for that. Okay, so this region lies between the tropics. What are the tropics? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. C. Okay, that is what it is. Tropics and Arctic and Antarctic circle. Where does it lie? It lies in the tropics, Arctics and Antarctic circle. Not Arctics, it's Arctic. Okay, and this region, it's not season, it will be region. Okay, don't go on my handwriting. It would be region. Okay, this is what? It's not season, it's region. And this region, not season, also faces 4 distinct seasons that are summer, winter, spring and autumn. What are the 4 distinct seasons that are summer, winter, spring and autumn? So in India we experience all these, right? So India lies in which zone? India lies in temperate region. By mistake I said zone. It's temperate region, not temperate zone. Next one. Wait. Yeah. So, desert region. This region is found around the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Where is it found? It is found around the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This kind of region is always very hot. It is saying that this kind of region, this kind of means this desert region is always very hot. Okay, hot and also dry. Hot and also dry, if we talk about that. And also it has little rainfall or no rainfall at all. So guys, मैंने मेरा फेस हटा दिया है because it was a bit problem. तो हमारा next one होगा Mediterranean region. Mediterranean region. So the region is found roughly between 30 degrees and 40 degrees north and south of the equator. So 30 degrees and 40 degrees वो समझना a bit hard, right? It is a bit hard because what happened कि जो हमने याद किए हैं ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, कैप्रिकॉर्न, आर्टिक सर्कल, जैसे हमने ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर लिया तो 23.5 डिग्रीज क्या होगा? नॉर्थ होगा ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. ओके, बट 30 डिग्रीज का तो हमने कोई भी लैटिट्यूड नहीं पता है. सो इट विल बी अ बिट डिफिकल्ट, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू इमेजिन इज if the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees north, then directly 30 degrees will be a bit above it, right? For example, equator Cancer, that is 23.5 degrees, right? Okay, that is what 23.5 degrees. And the region a bit above the Tropic of Cancer will be the, what do you say? The Mediterranean region. And same here below the, if this is 23.5 degrees south, then below this area would be also the same, because what it is telling is it's north and also south of the equator. So screen is a bit, dirty. Here summers are warm and winters are mild and cold. So what it is that here the Mediterranean region, in the Mediterranean region, the summers are very, very, not very, but yeah, they are warm, and winters are very, very cold. Not very, very. Why I'm like, the winters are mild and cold and summers are warm. That's it. Okay. And guys, please don't go on my handwriting, because writing on the screen is a bit hard, as I told you. Now next one will be the equatorial region. What it is? It's equatorial region. What does that mean? That this might be there on the equator or on the sides of the equator, right? या तो आगे होगा पीछे होगा, like that हमें पता चलता है उसके नेम से ही हमें पता चल जाता है कि इक्वेटोरियल रीजन, यानी कि इक्वेटर से इसका कुछ तो लेना देना है, राइट? Okay, next one. Let's read the points. Not next one. This region lies in the torrid zone. वो कहाँ पे lie होता है? Torrid zone. That is, this is the equator, Cancer, Capricorn. ये इतने एरिया में lie होता है, not है. It is hot and wet throughout the year. What it is hot and wet, यानी कि उसके ऊपर कोई बाल्टी से पानी नहीं डालता है, बट जो बादल राजा हैं वो पानी डालते हैं ऊपर से, in the form of what? In the form of rain. R-A-I-N. I wrote M. Let's cut that out. Okay. So the next one, tropical regions. I think so that is the last or second last. This region is found in the tropical belt on the, this is side, on the side of the equator, and hot and wet throughout the year. अभी tropical regions क्या है? It is found on the tropical belt on the side of the equator. तो mostly जो tropical region है और जो equatorial region है, they mostly lie in the same region. Okay, the torrid zone and like that. Okay, तो now you'll see कि जो tropical region है उसमें गर्मी बहुत होती है. Why? Because if this is our sun and this is our earth, यहाँ पे हमारा इक्वेटर है, तो सन की डायरेक्ट रेस कहाँ पड़ेगी? हमारे इक्वेटर पे. तो ये हमने मान लिया, चलो इट इज़ हॉट. बट वेट कैसे हुआ? इसमें तो बहुत गर्मी है, और अगर वेट होगा तो माहौल तो क्या हो जाएगा? ठंडा. वैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बलून क्यों बनाया? हाँ, आई वॉज अ बिट मैड. ओके, तो माहौल क्या हो जाएगा? ठंडा. बट क्यों? ये हॉट भी है और वेट भी है. तो लेट मी explain you by taking just a plain page over here. Yeah, so if this is your sun, okay, let's take yellow color for the sun, the perfect yellow. I'm not carrying the perfect yellow, no problem now. This is our sun, and I've taken the blue color for the water. This is your, what it is? Water, and this is the sun. तो अगर sun की rays पड़ती है water पे, then what will happen? Water will evaporate. It will evaporate, and what will happen? It will form clouds, right? What it will form? क्लाउड्स. तो क्लाउड्स के बाद क्या होगी? बरसात होगी. क्लाउड्स अगर फॉर्म हो गए हैं, एंड इफ दे आर हैवी इनफ, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? रेन विल कम. व्हाट विल हैपन? रेन विल कम, राइट? So that's why this region is also known as hot, and it is what? And wet. It is hot and wet. तो अब हम बात करेंगे, अगर आप कहोगे कि डेजर्ट में भी तो इतनी गर्मी होती है, तो डेजर्ट भी क्यों हॉट और वेट क्यों नहीं होता? डेजर्ट भी, वाई डेजर्ट इज नॉट हॉट एंड वेट? या इट इज हॉट बट इट्स नॉट वेट. इट्स नॉट वेट, राइट? बट वाई इट्स नॉट वेट? तो देखो, इफ दिस इज your desert, this what the hell, if this is your desert, this whole area, also above that is whole desert, right? Below the after that you can't see, it's only sand, sand and sand. This is your desert, okay? This part is your desert. But कभी आपने देखा है, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इंडिया, कभी आपने देखा है कि डेजर्ट के बाजू में अचानक से कोई वाटर बॉडी आ गई? या आई हर्ड अ नेम, एक डेजर्ट है जिसके बाजू में वाटर बॉडी है. आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम. ओके, तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको बाद में कोई वीडियो में बता दूंगी अगर याद आएगा तो, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, बट शायद पार्ट 5 भी होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आंसर, दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्योंकि लेसन तो समझ में आ गया, बट सम कोई स्टूडेंट्स को क्या होता है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आर द मेन थिंग, राइट? और इससे ही ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिलते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन आंसर आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज योर डेजर्ट. What this is your desert. तो कभी भी पानी बीच में नहीं आता. If we talk about India, it doesn't comes in between, right? तो अब रेन कहाँ पे होगी? When there is some amount of वाटर, बट यहाँ पे वाटर का नामो निशान तक नहीं होता. या कभी कभी रेन होगी. अब कभी कभी रेन क्यों होगी? बिकॉज सी, जो क्लाउड्स होते हैं, दे move right with the what? Come on, tell. With the winds. They move with the winds. Where is the wind moving? It will move that way. Okay? तो कभी कभी जो डेजर्ट होता है उसमें बारिश हो जाती है. अभी एक और चीज़ है जो बारिश होने से रोकता है, बिकॉज अरावली हिल्स है ना, राइट? जो राजस्थान का रीजन है वहाँ पे अरावली हिल्स हैं. राजस्थान में अरावली हिल्स है. वो क्या है? ऊंची ऊंची है. तो जो माउंटेन्स हैं वो उनसे टकरा के, दिस इज योर अरावली हिल्स, और जो क्लाउड्स आते हैं वो उनसे हिट होके दे गो back to some other direction. तो that is why, ये तो एक रीज़न हो सकता है कि डेजर्ट्स में क्या? come on tell me, डेजर्ट्स में रेन नहीं होती. ओके, अब ये समझ में आ गया सबको टॉपिक. अभी हम जल्दी से सब कुछ रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज रिविजन इज द मेन थिंग. तुंद्रा रीजन में क्या है? इट लाइज इन द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ फ्रिजिड जोन्स. आई विल बी अ बिट फास्टर बिकॉज इट्स व्हाट इट इज. Revision time. What it is? It's revision time. So I'll be a bit fast. Tundra region. Where does it lie? It lies in the north and south frigid zones. Means that is very cold, and not only cold, it is also frozen for most parts of the year. That's what it is. Next one, that will be our temperate region. If we talk about that, where does it lies? It lies between the tropics, Arctic and Antarctic circle. That is the location of that place. And if we talk about that place, that is, how is that, the type of climate, something, the weather, what do they experience? They experience 4 seasons that are 4 different seasons. What are the 4 different seasons? Summer, winter, spring and autumn. That are the 4 different seasons that temperate region में जो रहते हैं वो experience करते हैं. If we talk about the desert region, then this region is found around the tropic of Cancer and the tropic of Capricorn. अगर आपको latitudes में कुछ गड़बड़ होती है, see the part 3. ओके, अगर आपको वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट वो डिफरेंसेस नहीं पता है, सी द पार्ट 2 and 1. क्योंकि पार्ट 2, 1 और 1 and 2 में मैंने क्या बताया है, दो some what we say that affect the climate, some reasons, some factors that affect the climate. I told that in that video. So this kind of region is always very hot and dry, and also it has little rainfall and no rainfall at all. तो इसमें अगर किसी को डाउट है देन वापस आप ये वीडियो को थोड़ा रिमाइंड करो, देखो, उसे समझो, बिकॉज अभी मैंने बताया राइट. अगर आप ये पूरा वीडियो देख रहे हो, एंड आई होप आप देख रहे हो मुझे और मेरी स्क्रीन को, वेल मुझे नहीं देख रहे हो आप मेरी स्क्रीन को, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, next topic, we are not gonna waste a bit of time. Okay, we are gonna talk about the Mediterranean region that is near the sea. So let's take blue color, Mediterranean region. This region is found roughly between 30 degrees and 40 degrees north and south of the equator. 30 degrees 40 degrees कैसे मार्क करना है? इक्वेटर बना लो, कैंसर, कैप्रिकॉन, कैंसर, कैप्रिकॉन, ओके, ये बना लो. अब 23.5 डिग्रीज नॉर्थ एंड साउथ है ये दोनों, तो उनके ऊपर जो एरिया होगा थोड़ा सा, ओके, वो क्या होगा? दैट विल बी योर मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन. Here the summers are warm and winters are mild. ये क्या हुआ रे? Summers are warm and winters are mild and cold. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, वो दोनों एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं कि जब समर्स आता है, when they are summers, it's hot kind of climate, and when it is winter, it's kind of cold climate. Don't go on my handwriting because it's hard to write on the screen and it's very very hard. Okay, मेरा मुंह थोड़ा सूख गया है. Let me take some breaths. I don't know, breathes or okay, let it go. We are learning social, so ध्यान social पे ही होना चाहिए. थोड़ी सांसें ले लेती हूँ, ऐसा I can say. Equatorial region. This region lies in the torrid zone on the either sides of the equator and is hot and wet throughout the year. ये मैंने आपको समझाया कि ये hot भी क्यों है और wet भी क्यों है, right? Next one, tropical region. That would be our last topic for the revision. So कुछ अच्छा सा कलर ले, पर्पल लेते हैं. सबसे बड़ा साइज देखिए क्या. Tropical region. So this region is found in the tropical belt on the side. It's not size, it's side. It's side of the equator and is hot and wet throughout the year. I can see color it. I love coloring. Do you love coloring? Well, I do love color. So that was all in my this part 4. Yeah, part 4. Bit hard to remember. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे जो मेरा हार्ड वर्क है वो हो जाता है कंप्लीट. उसका मुझे फल मिल जाता है, राइट? फल बनाया मैंने इतना गंदा सा. ओके, तो अभी इस हार्ड वर्क को मोटिवेट करने के लिए यू हैव टू जस्ट like it, subscribe my channel if you haven't, and what you have to do is share. ये तो आप करते हो, राइट? I hope पढ़ते हो, because अगर आप नहीं करते then I will be very very sad. I will be crying like this. Do you want me to be sad? Or else I'll not make videos then. And the last part of the chapter is, remaining of question answers. So who will make that video? So for that, what you have to do is hit the like button, share and subscribe. SHAT नहीं होगा, SHARE होगा. और सब्सक्राइब तो नहीं आएगा, सभी लिख देती हूँ. पता चलेगा ना आपको क्या क्या करना है. ये तो आपको करना है. दैट इज वेरी 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 इम्पोर्टेंट. ओह माय गॉड, व्हाट हैपेंड. सो या गाइस, दैट्स टाइम टू से bye, whatever, tata, see you, whatever you say, Jai Shri Krishna, and yeah, bye bye. Yeah, you can leave the video.